Hello friends, as part of the crash course to civil service examinations, the current affairs, we see the Rajya Sabha. Previously also we have seen about Rajya Sabha during its while discussing the 250th session of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha has been in news for yet another reason with respect to the elections to Rajya Sabha also. So then also we did talk about Rajya Sabha's composition and special powers, utility, etc. Now also let us see certain additional information relating to Rajya Sabha. See, one of the important aspects relating to composition of Rajya Sabha, which is related to election, is that the Union Territory of Delhi and Puducherry are the two Union Territories that are represented in Rajya Sabha. No other Union Territory is represented. Delhi and Puducherry are represented in Rajya Sabha. And Delhi and Puducherry have elected representatives in Rajya Sabha because they have elected legislative assemblies. Then comes to election to Rajya Sabha. The election to Rajya Sabha is conducted, or the members of Rajya Sabha are elected only by the elected members of state legislative assemblies. The elected members of state legislative assemblies elect the members of Rajya Sabha representing that particular state, and in that election they are only eligible to vote. And the election to Rajya Sabha is conducted on the basis of proportional representation system, right? Proportional representation system. The proportional representation system means any candidate in an election will be declared to have won the election, to have been elected, if and if only he secures more than the 50% of the polled votes. Since Rajya Sabha is to represent the people, in order to give the representation to even the minuscule minority of the state, the proportional representation is being followed with respect to Rajya Sabha elections also. And there are certain unique aspects with respect to Rajya Sabha elections, two important aspects. In Rajya Sabha elections, we follow a limited secret ballot. Right, we follow a limited secret ballot. Unlike in the elections where we vote, the entire voting process is kept as a secret process. In the Rajya Sabha elections, the members of legislative assemblies can show their preferences to the party agents, right, the political party agents. So, other than them, if they are going to show the ballot sheet, then it will be considered as invalid vote, but to the party agent they can show. However, independent candidates, the MLAs who are elected as independent candidates must not show their ballot sheets to anyone. In that case, it will be declared an invalid vote. Secondly, cross voting is permitted. Right? Cross voting is permitted. You know what is cross voting? Cross voting means a member belonging to party X may vote in favor of a candidate set up by a party Y. Right? If there is a party X and a member A belongs to that party, he may vote for a candidate B set up by another political party. Here, the cross voting will not be considered as defection because this is an election process and not a parliamentary procedure. See, cross voting in parliamentary procedure based on whip will attract defection provisions, anti-defection provisions under Schedule 10. However, here it won't be attracted because this is basically an election process, election to the House of Parliament, and therefore it is not a parliamentary procedure. And here the members of Legislative Assembly vote on behalf of the people of the state, because even in the Rajya Sabha, the composition is proportion to the population of the state. So here cross voting is permitted. Similarly, another important aspect or another unique feature of Rajya Sabha election is that there is no nota. None of the above option is not available in the Rajya Sabha elections. Previously, the Election Commission had provided for this option, but in 2018, the Supreme Court struck down this as unconstitutional, and therefore it is not permitted now, because the nota according to Supreme Court is permissible only with respect to general elections where there is universal adult franchise. Here people's representatives are voting on behalf of the people. So an individual who is voting on behalf of the people, because an MLA represents the people of his constituency, on behalf of the people in his constituency and other people, he is representing, he is exercising his vote in the Rajya Sabha elections. So he cannot go for nota, none of the above, unless and otherwise he has consulted all the people whom he represents. Hence nota should not be there, and according to Supreme Court, only in case of general elections where we follow the universal adult franchise, the nota is permitted, and rest other cases, especially in Rajya Sabha elections, no nota is permitted. Right? So this is one important process with respect to Rajya Sabha elections. Then, as we have already seen about Rajya Sabha, there are certain other important things also to understand with respect to Rajya Sabha. Number one, Rajya Sabha does not have financial powers. It's very important. Rajya Sabha cannot pass the budget. Rajya Sabha cannot pass the money bill. When it comes to a money bill will be introduced with the previous recommendation of the President and into the Lok Sabha only. After having passed by the Lok Sabha, the money bill will be transmitted to the Rajya Sabha, and Rajya Sabha can retain the money bill only for 14 days. Within the 14 days, the Rajya Sabha has to return the bill to the Lok Sabha if it had certain recommendations. Otherwise, on the expiry of 14 days, the bill is said to have been passed. Even if the Rajya Sabha returns the bill to Lok Sabha with its recommendations, it is the discretion of the Lok Sabha to either accept or not to accept the recommendations of Rajya Sabha, and so the bill will be passed as it is accepted by, or in the form in which it is being passed by the Lok Sabha only. So therefore, with respect to Rajya Sabha, it has no financial powers at all. Right? It does not have any financial powers. This is because Rajya Sabha being a council of states, the union government finances must not be held ransom by the states. The states must not be permitted to hold the union government finances to ransom due to political reasons. Therefore, Rajya Sabha does not have any financial powers. The founding fathers of the constitution have not vested any financial power to Rajya Sabha because of this reason. So this is another important feature of Rajya Sabha. The next important feature of Rajya Sabha is that Rajya Sabha is a federal house. Rajya Sabha, or through Rajya Sabha only, the states get represented in the functioning of the union government, especially the union lawmaking process, constitutional amendments, right? Creation of new All India services, enact power of empowering the Parliament to enact law upon state subjects. These are all some of the important powers of Rajya Sabha and unique aspects of Rajya Sabha as a federal house. In all these areas, the federation is upheld by giving states their role. Though it is a limited role through Rajya Sabha represents the states in the Union Parliament and in the processes of the Union government. I hope it's clear to you now. And in case, yet another important thing is that in case a national emergency is proclaimed under Article 352, during when the Lok Sabha is dissolved, then the approval of Rajya Sabha is a must. And if only Rajya Sabha approves, probably the proclamation of emergency will remain in force, or otherwise it will be totally, it cannot be remaining in force. So therefore, this is all about the Rajya Sabha. Please do take care. Rajya Sabha has been continuously in news. Go through the constitutional aspects, constitution provisions, the composition, unique features, powers, comparison of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, comparison of Rajya Sabha and legislative councils. Okay, these are all the areas, and also go through the historical aspect of Rajya Sabha as well, meaning the constitution development of India that you will study as part of Indian national freedom struggle in history. So take care of these things. Rest of the things with new and more issues we shall continue in the crash course of the next session of this crash course. Thank you, friends.